Okay, this is the second video, part 2 of our look at unitary rates feeding into graphing. So hopefully you did all this in the last video. And now we're here where we're looking at graphing. From the slope of a graph, if it's a straight line graph, we can get a unitary rate. Rise over run. Now, we're looking at types of relationships. No, this is not some sort of emotional course. It's a mathematical variable relationship that we're looking at. And there are two kinds we worry about. We can have a direct relationship. Now, I don't really have it drawn out here. At some point I'll scribble it. But if I had a graph, so just imagine I have an axis, a y-axis like this, an x-axis like this, and the line goes up to the right, that is called direct relationship. That means as one variable increases, the other variable also increases. So it has to be a straight line graph and it will have a positive slope. Temperature and volume of a gas, going to the world of physics and chemistry. If we increase the temperature of a gas, we will increase its volume. If you've ever left a football or soccer ball in the sun, it will expand, is what we're saying there. And we could see as a linear function when we plot it. Inverse relationship means as one variable increases, the other variable decreases, and the graph curves. So again, we'll do sort of an imaginary graph. So there's my axes like this, and it's going to be a curving down to the right. I may have to draw these out at some point. Unfortunately, I can't draw on this function. And it turns out an inverse relationship is shown by the pressure and volume of a gas. Let's say we take that same soccer ball and we put it under enormous pressure. It's going to take up less and less space. On the other hand, if we relax the pressure, maybe we take it outer space, it is going to expand greatly because there's not much force acting against it. The next thing we'll be looking at will be conversion factors and unit conversions, and those will be very important. As you move on in the wacky world of chemistry, we'll be using units all the time when we do things like study moles and stoichiometry and solutions.